Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and I am learning Kubernetes. Today, we're going to be talking about labels, selectors, and annotations. There's a lot of videos on the internet about this, so let's try to make this really quick. So I went ahead and created a deployment so we could see the file and look at this. So inside the metadata of any Kubernetes object, you have the option to put labels. And this is basically like tags in the cloud that give you information about this so we can filter on them later. So in this case, this deployment has the app label with the as the key and the nginx as the value. Imagine doing that to a pod. Then in the spec, you can take a selector, which is basically like a filter, and you can filter all the objects where the label is app nginx, right? So if I have a pod who has a label app nginx, it's going to match this with the selector, and then it will basically manage with a deployment all the pods that have the app nginx label. There's also an option to do annotations in the spec, and annotations are just notes. So you could do annotations, and I could put something like point of contact is Jake, and I could put POC number is 555-555-1212 and put my phone number. So you can put some little annotations in here as well. There's a bunch of other stuff you can do with this, but that's basically it. So all you need to know is the selector is kind of like a filter. Labels are like little tags on all of your objects that allow you to filter on them. And annotations are just little notes that you can take. Hopefully this is helpful. My name is Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and I am learning Kubernetes.